Could you lay it out a little bit more, the difference between mock trial and moot court?
So mock trial is you have you get a teammate, I guess. So it's like you have your prosecution that has two students on it, and then you have your defense, which has two students on it. And then I believe that the other side will take turns kind of being like the witness. So you get a fact pattern ahead of time, and you get whatever side you're on, prosecutor, defense, and then they play out this mock trial where you are asking questions to the witness, and more or less they rule on who made the better argument. So you have to get used to doing an opening, doing your closing statements, laying out the law, and essentially proving your case. So it's literally like a real life experience. And then with Moot Court, they actually, our school, I believe, came in second for the Moot Court competition in New York City. So I have to brag about that.
Oh, wow.
But essentially what it is you are put in front of a panel of judges, and they keep asking you questions about your case. And they're like, so what happened with this case? What happened in that case? Where's your law coming from? And they're just coming at people left and right. And so whoever, I guess, argued their side better gets to move on to the next round, so on and so forth. So mock trial is, playing in a courtroom, and then moot court, you're more on your own. You compete against other people.
Wow, that sounds really tough.
But it's kind of scary.
But good experience too, I suppose. I suppose that lawyers want to see that you've been through that process, because obviously that can relate to what you might do in your career down the line.
And that's definitely like a good recommendation. I found that as I've been moving through, because I think one difference between undergrad is I wasn't as involved probably as I should have been in programs, where once you get to law school, you want to be involved in those things. It's like no one wants to openly stand up and be like, hey, pick me. I want to feel awkward for 30 minutes, but down the road you're going to have that experience, and if a employer sees that on your resume, they're going to want the person that has more experience. So it's kind of choosing to take that little bit of uncomfortable feeling you might have versus an employer that wants to choose you over the next person just because you have that experience.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.